Today I'm going to be showing a website called Quizlet.com. It's a free website that anyone can use, but there is a Quizlet Plus that you can upgrade to that's kind of faster. It removes the ads, and it offers a little bit more, but with the basic Quizlet account you can do a ton of things. Like, for instance, you can search up different Quizlet sets that other people have created to help you study, or to even help teach a certain topic to your class. Like, if I were to teach the staff, I could look up the grand stave and find a Quizlet that someone's already created, and then open it and use flashcards. I could do a matching game. And I could even take a test. So this will be great for working with your students while you're in class, and this is also a great tool to use when they're at home. I actually have created a classroom where I can add students using their emails. I already have 2 Quizlets in here, and I can also create my own quizzes if I wanted to. So another cool thing is I can add folders. I can create a new folder. Let's say that I want to separate certain lessons, and I want to create a folder where I only have 3rd through 5th grade lessons. I can make a folder for it. And then I can add a Quizlet, a quiz set, sorry, to a folder. See, I have 3 through 5 right here. Okay. And now, all I have to do is go back to the folder, and it usually is in here, but let's see. It would usually be in here, but the Wi-Fi is kind of being a little slow. So it's a cool website that teachers and students can use. It offers a lot of studying help for independent and classwork. And it's overall just a great tool to have in the classroom.